Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve iFrame injection challenge. So select the challenge and click on add button. So this is the challenge page where we can see the content of robots.txt file, and we need to exploit iFrame injection. So iFrame means we need to embed any third-party site or internal page within a frame. So if we notice in this URL, param URL is set to robots.txt and width and height is set. So due to this URL parameter, the content is getting loaded in this page. Now, instead of robots.txt, if we try different page, for example, login.php, which is present in this application, and click on enter button, we can notice it will load in this page. So here we can notice the page is loaded. So we can increase width and height as well for better visibility. So change the value of width and height in the URL and click on enter button. And we can notice application is loading login page. So this is loading the page of bWAPP application itself. And we can change this parameter to third-party website also, so that it will load a login page of different website. So we can create a fake login page of different website, and we can take those provided credential by user in our server. And if we inspect here, so in the iframe injection, if there are no protection implemented, for example, X content type option header or frame ancestor in the CSP header, then it is possible to perform iframe injection or tick checking kind of attack. So here we can notice this login page embedded. And if we go to this section, we can see in the inspect element as well. So we can notice the proper form is created for login.php, and it is asking for username and password. Now, next we can do one thing. Instead of bWAPP login page itself, we can provide a third-party website. For example, let's say demo.test fire login page. This URL parameter. So change the parameter value to third-party website login page. And if we press enter here, we can notice it will load the login page in this frame. So as security is set to low, we can notice application login page is showing of a third party website. So it is possible to do a phishing attack by creating a fake login form and get this credential. Now let's change the security level to medium. And in the medium, like if we provide the same value again, so instead of robots.txt, provide the URL. So we can notice this provided payload is not executing. So at medium level, there is some kind of protection which is not allowing us to load third-party website. However, let's try to load the login page of the same application. Login.php and press enter. Just to double check if it is loading internal page as well or not. So in the medium security level, even application is not loading internal page. So instead of login, let's try different page, index.php. So that page is also not loading. So let's check the request and response for this particular request. So this was demo.test file, which was not working. So when it was security level 1, it was not working. And at security level 0, it was working. So let's copy this URL term and search it. So here, if we notice, and inside this iframe tag, the provided URL is set to src, and it was loading in the application itself. Now, if we search for this particular parameter for a medium security level, so here we can notice it is taking robots.txt. Even though I have provided demo.test file website, it is not taking the user provided input. So there is some kind of validation implemented which will not allow a user to provide any third-party website or any other input. So even if I will provide login.php, which was working at low security level, it will not work at medium. And even in high security level also, it will not work because uh, SRC is already set to robots.txt, and it will show the content of this file only. So we can exploit iframe injection at a low security level, and iframe injection can help attacker in performing phishing attack. So challenge solved. Thank you.